Day 2 of SEMA. Let's get it. The real day now. Finally, we're gonna get to see all the cars, all the unveilings. It's still about 7:30 a.m. right now, and they don't open until 9. But I'm trying to get there a little bit early, grab some coffee, and trying to hit up TJ's Valvoline booth to get the early release of his Valvoline clothing drop. So we got to be there at 10 o'clock. First 50 people get a VIP pass, and that's what we're trying to get. Let's get it. Had to head back to the hotel room because I forgot my pass. Got in the elevator all the way down to the lobby and saw everybody else running around with their passes, and I was like, thank God I remembered. But now we can start our day. We've been taking Ubers every day, spending $20 to $30, and we just found out there's a shuttle. So the shuttle dropped us off at the end of the South Hall, but it was free, so whatever. We'll get the exercise in. What are you doing?
I'm making sure you're recording right, bro.
If it's not, then we just got a bunch of editing to do. No. But we got to get to Central Hall for TJ's Valvoline drop. Might as well stop at Rohana. They offered us some free promotional products. Pick those up on our way. Yeah, we didn't get Starbucks. The line
I hope
was
they
huge.
give us Starbucks, bro.
I know. I'm talking about Starbucks at the hotel. We didn't get any.
Oh, yeah.
That line was humongous.
See, that's why we need Starbucks, because we're gonna start arguing.
Love seeing people checking out the car. I don't know how good I'm heard with this mask on, but Sal's slowly breaking down already with no coffee. We finally made it to Central Hall. Got an hour of being in line to wait. Security was trying to stop us because of our passes, but we managed to get in.
It ain't work.
We charmed our way in, even though we're allowed in.
I just went a couple
They were trying to
times.
stop us because it doesn't actually say exhibitor on here, and it says featured vehicle. But I mean, we're part of the exhibits, so
As soon as they saw me,
early
like,
access
exhibitor.
passes, even though nobody's allowed until 9. The mission continues. We keep going into the wrong halls. That was just a sky bridge. So now we're going to Central Hall. Entrance is supposed to be somewhere over here on our right. And we will find out right now if we're going the right way or not this time. Oh, there it is. Oh, what happened? Oh, Sal's waiting for his coffee. We had no issue finding the door to any other hall, but Central Hall is where they're hiding all the goodies, and that's why you can't find the door.
Yeah, no.
TJ, what you doing hiding in there, man? Go to the easier halls.
TJ, I'm looking for you, buddy. I'm gonna come get you.
I'm gonna take my cover back over to my truck. Where's that?
We found it. Let's see if we get a hassle this time.
They know you're in the Central Hall?
Yeah, that's what I'm exhibiting here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
In the exhibitor?
Perfect, thank you.
Hey, no hassle. Easy this time. Been hassled twice already about the pass. But see, this is why we had to get in early, even though they say not till 9 o'clock. Because look how packed it is in here already. And TJ, you're only giving it away to 50 people? That's crazy. Hopefully you guys can hear me though. This mask is muffling the audio. If not, I'll try my best to enhance it. This place is packed. So they did stop us right here at the front entrance of the Central Hall. I don't understand why, but they're saying featured vehicles don't count as exhibitor passes, which I get it, but we were getting in everywhere else, so why not this one? But I guess we have to wait till 9 o'clock. It's 8:40 right now, so 20 more minutes and we'll be able to get in. In the meantime, we got everything right here to go take a look at. Everybody's already lined up, ready to go. It's 8:55 right now. We're all just trying to get in there as soon as possible to get this show started. Turns out it's only really 3 days instead of 4. Childish, man. No, it turns out it's only 3 days instead of 4. It's only Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then SEMA Ignited, which is open to the public, is on Friday. So hopefully I get the car out by Friday. Get to enjoy it a little bit here in Vegas, take it out to the desert. Got the countdown going up there. And SEMA began. Let's get it going. Everybody's rushing in now. No walking slow, just fight through, fight through, fight through. I lost Sal. He's going too slow. Fight through, go, go, go.
Hey, the turbo's gonna kick in.
I think we found him. That's where he's hiding. It's my first time actually meeting TJ. Alan's already met him. I think twice. But I'm gonna line up early, make sure we get to meet him. To be honest, he's the guy who's inspired me now to do this whole channel, to customize cars and do it at our own free will. So definitely got to meet the man. And there's the Z that he's trying to reveal. Always teasing, just a little taste. I walked up here just to grab some of the stuff they had on the counter, and then I asked her where the line is, and it just started forming behind me when I turned around. So I guess I started the line. Got in here first. There he is. There he is. Straight to work. Right away planning out the reveal, but everybody's here. Whole crew's already showed up. It's barely 9:05 right now, but we managed to get first in line. What's up, everyone? It's 9:58 right now, and the line has gotten huge. Everybody's gathered around, ready to go. They were gonna unveil the car, but I heard TJ talking and saying that he's gonna do the meet and greet first because the line is going all the way behind there, and half those people aren't even gonna see the reveal. Plus, we've been here for over an hour. I think I just heard TJ say that they're not allowing him to do photos. We'll find out though. I mean, we're just trying to get a shout out though.
I can tell you that. I'll tell you that.
Heard him saying just want him to do only signings and give out passes, stay behind the booth, and not let anyone back there.
I think they're gonna give me a water. Damn. I don't know if you guys saw Kevin's promo on Instagram, dude. Okay. See, I reward. Check out this hero card. No. I reward when you don't plug. When you don't plug on my hey, I gotta get the way of plug. It's not bad. It's not my bit. I'll do it anyway. So I know you get loves me. So you'll always get a next one. But I busted his balls. I know that's me. I love you. That was a last minute edition. I was like, wait, you guys have anything for me to sign? And you're like, oh, no. Right there. Shout out to the comments who are like, I can't wait until day 3. You want to start? We'll just get going.
What's that?
What's going on, dog?
What's up, man? I got a small time YouTube channel, man.
Oh, yeah, do you?
You actually inspired it to happen, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so just wanted to see if you can give me a shout out, whatever we can get from you.
Damn. First person in line. Yeah, I mean, I'm mic'd up. What's your channel name?
Visionary Motors.
Visionary, but what do you guys do?
Kind of the same thing, customizing cars, doing our own builds and everything. So far, I built my RCF.
All right.
Put a Panda body kit on it.
Yeah.
Rohana wheels and everything. But hopefully, trying to get another car in here next year.
Yeah? Hell yeah. Do you have a car here this year?
Yeah, it's right in front of the South Hall entrance.
Oh.
It's the matte gray RCF.
Okay, cool. I'll look out for it, dude.
Yeah, sure.
That's fucking rad. Dude, wait, when did you get here in line?
And I got here, I showed up to see him around 8, and they wouldn't let us in, even though I got the vehicle pass. They said exhibitors only, but we got in line right at 9 o'clock.
Damn, man. Oh, fucking awesome. Well, you're the first in line, so you get this. This is the early access pass to the drop coming up this Friday.
Yeah.
So that is for you, man. And do you want me to sign anything?
Hell yeah.
Awesome. Do you want, I think I'm going to start with a gold pen.
Make it shine.
Dude, good luck on the channel, man.
Thank
Consistency is key.
That's what we're trying right
that's
now.
Like
That's where we're lagging, but we're trying our best.
How many uploads are you doing a week?
It's more like one every 2-3 weeks. Just because
I'm going to tell you, like, at least one a week.
Yeah, we're
Like,
trying.
at
There wasn't
least.
enough parts at first, and it worked, and COVID kept getting away, but
You don't always need parts to
consistent.
make a video. I guess it depends on what your channel vibe is, but like consistency, you need at least 4 videos.
I see that. As soon as I posted like one every week for like the month of May,
Yeah.
when I got a lot of parts in, it skyrocketed, 40,000 views
Hell yeah.
in like 1 week.
Sweet. So, well, dude, good luck, dude.
Thanks, man. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
dude, take it easy,
Take
bro.
care.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So of course, it takes a lot of money to make it happen, and I don't know if I'll have it by that time. But here is the car that I hope to have. The new 23Z06 Corvette, pushing 670 horsepower. I was looking at the rumored LCF, you know, trying to become king of the Lexus. But the Corvette Stingray has always been my dream car ever since I was a little kid. And after seeing this and seeing how much they're putting in here stock, and the more capabilities that Corvettes have for tuning than Lexus does, I have to go with this. It's a beauty. I mean, just look at this car. And with all the carbon fiber trims that come with it already, I mean,
and a much cheaper price tag than the LCF would ever have. I just have to go with this. I hope they don't have limited production issues when it comes out, because I know there's going to be a long wait, especially with all the Corvette enthusiasts out there. But we will try and get our hands on one and tune it with anything possible to show you guys what this beauty can do. It's 10:44, so I freaking missed the reveal, but let's go get a video of it. There it is. That is actually impressive. That's a nice car.
Seafoam is bold.
It's bold, but hey, it's not bold though.
Like that.
I had to show you guys this for all you Supra fans out there, because I know there's so many. The Heritage Edition Supra. The side skirts, the diffuser, and the front lip are all insane on this car. Look at this. You got it in red as well. And then you got the regular right there. Compare it to. But of course, this one. I had to pause and fight through the crowd real quick. I was interrupting too many people's pictures and videos, but this is actually an insanely nice car. I haven't been too big of a fan of stock Supras. I like them with the body kits and everything, but this Heritage kit gave it a really nice, sportier look. And they got the pop-off top now. Made it a little bit more spacious. That was another big issue I had with them. Really tight, crammed. So this is nice.